Doesn't that look delicious? Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make pinto beans with broth, aka Nana's Soupy beans. Let's get cooking. Let's go over the ingredients. Start with 2 pounds or 5 cups dried pinto beans, 1/2 white onion diced, and salt to taste. Okay, first we're going to start with 2 pounds of beans or 5 cups. We're going to do some sorting. Now what you want to do is spread them out and slide them into the bowl. That's just how my Nana taught me. Pull out any weird beans or bean skins or rocks. These beans happen to have been washed 3 times, but I still might find a rock or some skins. Here's one right there. That's what we're trying to get rid of. And like Nana would want to get rid of those, but I like those. Let's add to the broth. Here's a bean. That's gross. That's not going in there. These actually look pretty good. Do like a little pat and spread. Now you could forego the sorting, but I would say don't, because you might find a rock in there. Last time I did this from the same batch, I found 2 rocks. Okay, so those are sorted. Now let's do some washing. You're going to want to fill up the bowl so it's over the beans, about 1 inch or so. You just kind of squeeze the beans. See how that's getting a little cloudy, murky? That's the stuff you're washing off of it. You're going to rinse. Fill it up again. Usually do three washes. Okay, fill it up again. Okay, now third time's the charm. Each time the water gets clearer and clearer. Look at how clear that is. That's perfect. Okay. Now that we've got them washed, now we're going to fill up and we're going to let these soak overnight. Okay. Get some plastic wrap. Okay, and we're going to stick that in the fridge overnight and let it soak up all that water. Okay, so we've let this soak overnight, and look at how much it's absorbed all the water. and these are ready to cook. Let's get those beans cooking. We start with a big pot here. We're gonna pour all the beans that we've had soaking overnight into there. Then we're gonna fill this up. Okay, so we're gonna fill it up with water. So it's about 2 inches above the beans. And initially we'll set it to medium-high heat. We're going to add 1/2 cup of diced white onion. And about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons salt. Let's stir that up. Okay, and we can let this simmer. Once it gets up to temperature, we can let it simmer for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours until those beans are nice and tender. Okay, we're definitely at a boil now, so let's reduce the heat into medium-low to low. That's going to cook for another 1 hour and 15 minutes or so. All right, it's been about 1.5 hours. Let's check it out. Whoa, that looks perfect. Looks perfect. I think we're done. Oh, doesn't that look delicious? I like to eat it with a little bit of cheese. And a fresh tortilla. Try it out. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and enjoyed watching this video. Please let me know in the comments.